Hi, I'm Lou Mycroft and I want to talk about ADHD and me. So I was a very quiet and obedient kid, painfully shy, no trouble, so nobody really took notice of what I was doing really, which was mainly daydreaming. And then as a young adult, sort of 13, 14, I sort of burst out on myself and I was not in control of myself any longer. The labels started to come thick and fast, highly strung, bad, difficult, emotional, angry, and I went off the rails. It took me years to find myself again, to center myself, to like myself after all sorts of chaotic behaviors. And then one day I was sitting in a class observing a micro-teaching session. I taught teachers at the time, and this person called Faye was showing a presentation about ADHD, and I just sat there with tears sliding down my face. Just the recognition in it. It was so relatable. Since then, I have learned to be glorious. I've shaken out and dried my wings. I use my ADHD to help me soar. I've had to learn to manage my energies and my focus. I've got all sorts of strategies, but it's come to be my superpower. What's stopping you?